Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the amazing benefits of niacinamide in skincare. So niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a water-soluble ingredient that has been gaining popularity in recent years, and for good reason. So what exactly is niacinamide and why should you be incorporating it into your skincare routine? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 that is commonly found in skincare products. It is known for the ability to improve the overall appearance of the skin, including reducing redness, dullness, and hyperpigmentation, and increasing skin hydration levels. But that's not all. Niacinamide has also been shown to have a positive effect on skin barrier function, making it an ideal ingredient for individuals with sensitive or dry skin. In addition to that, niacinamide has been shown to enhance the effectiveness of other ingredients as well, such as vitamin C and retinol. This means that incorporating niacinamide into your skincare routine can help to maximize the benefits of other products that you're using. So, how do you incorporate niacinamide into your skincare routine? It's so simple. Just look for products that contain niacinamide as one of the active ingredients and follow the instructions that is written on the product packaging. So you may ask, when is the right time to use niacinamide? Is it in the morning or in the night? Well, niacinamide can be used both in the morning and at night, and its effectiveness is not limited to a particular time of the day. So if you're going to use it in the morning, niacinamide can help to protect the skin from environmental stressors and provide a bright, even complexion, while at night it can help to repair and rejuvenate the skin while you sleep. So when using niacinamide in your skincare routine, the general rule of thumb is to apply it after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing. So a typical order of using niacinamide in a skincare routine would be: number 1, cleanser. Start by cleansing your face to remove any dirt, oil or makeup. Number 2, toner. Follow with the toner to help rebalance your skin's pH levels and prep your skin for a better absorption of other products. Number 3 is where you're going to use the niacinamide. So apply your niacinamide serum or treatment to your face, making sure to cover all areas of concern. Number 4, you can use any other treatment along with your niacinamide, such as vitamin C, retinoids, or whatever. Okay. And finally, you're going to use the moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you have. Finish it with the moisturizer to lock in all the beneficial ingredients and provide hydration to your skin. So if you're using niacinamide in the daytime, it's always, whether you use niacinamide or not, it is always best to use a sunscreen, okay? But this order you can follow it even at the night without sunscreen. So it's essential to allow every product to absorb fully into your skin before moving to the next step. Additionally, it's important to note that if you're using niacinamide in combination with other active ingredients, such as exfoliants or acids, exfoliants such as AHA, BHA or other acids, it is better to use them on separate days or at different times of the day to avoid irritation or sensitivity. It's important to remember that everyone's skin is unique, and it's always best to patch test any new skincare product on a small area of your skin first to ensure that you do not have any adverse reaction. So in conclusion, niacinamide is a versatile and effective ingredient that can provide a wide range of benefits for your skin. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe for more amazing skincare tips and tricks. See you in the next video.